Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the file is not locked and Excel is up to date. This prevents wasted steps later. First, save a backup and close other Excel windows so locks release. Then, right-click the file, choose Properties and uncheck Read Only, and open via Excel's File Info to disable Protected View if present. Once done, reopen the workbook. Make sure you use the same account that created or owns the file so permission conflicts don't block edits. Now you diagnose internal settings that stop editing. Start with Review and choose Unprotect Sheet or Unprotect Workbook. Enter a password if you know it. Next, go to File Options and confirm Editing Options and Trusted Locations. Temporarily disable suspect add-ins. Then verify sharing. Turn off Shared Workbook if enabled and check OneDrive or SharePoint sync status to avoid conflicts. If files came from email, move to a local folder. Finish by repairing or migrating the file so edits stick. Use File Open, select the file, click the arrow next to Open and pick Repair. Try Repair first, then Extract if needed. If Repair fails, create a new workbook and copy sheets or paste values and formats to preserve content. Save the new file locally, close Excel, and reopen to confirm edits persist. If problems remain, one key troubleshooting tip. Disable antivirus or cloud sync temporarily to rule out external file locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.